Right here, so was the house, and the door was right here, so, and then this was the front yard, and then when we open the door, we can climb on the step and go outside into the front yard.
What do you think now? How you feel about all this here? Sad? Is that your backpack for school? This is your school backpack?
Yes.
What's this here? Another bed?
Yes.
You used to sleep in there?
Here. There's some books right here, so, and comb. And right here, so, where the house was built, the other side, and we used to walk down, go to the bathroom.
You go to the bathroom down here?
Yes.
What happened to the bathroom now? Tree fall on it, no true.
There's a pencil right here, so,
I'll tell you now.
and a comb right here, so bring.
Here's your comb.
This is my mother comb.
Yeah.
And this is the American book, but it's filthy. Books right here, so, and comb. And right here, so, where the house was built, the other side, and we used to walk down, go to the bathroom.
You go to the bathroom down here?
Yes.
What happened to the bathroom now? Tree fall on it, no true. Yeah,
Yes.
but even in the ashes,
And this thing
the
was
Holy
mine.
Scriptures, and this
This
is
thing was mine because
still
it's
there.
a charger thing.
still right on. That was
This
yours?
Is, yes.
Yeah, Holy Scriptures
Mommy, take it out.
right here.
Road to go on Maroon Town, you know? Here do. Roll like road, son.